Tycoon.
Hey guys, this is a remastered version of how to make a mirror in Portal. This time in Portal 2, it still works the same. So I'm gonna have to upgrade my portal gun since I have a blue one only. So I will be right back. Okay, I have upgraded the portal gun. You can see I have the orange reticle now. Okay, so now you want to somehow place that like that. So I'm going to quickly pause and I'll type in the commands and show you. Okay, first command is SV_cheats1. Now type that in. You're gonna go on ahead and press enter. That'll say server cvar SV_cheats changed to 1, which means you can cheat in the game now and type in like no clip and stuff like that. Okay, now I'm gonna type in the next command. Okay, I've went ahead and typed in SV_portal placement underscore never fail. Or portal underscore placement, not portal placement. But you get the point. 1 and also 1 to make sure that's on yes. 1 means yes, 0 means no. Go ahead, click enter. Return the game. You can see I can place that on the white wall. There you go.
Here's a new one. Make where you can do square.
There we go.
Hey dude, I like playing too. No. What? Okay.
That's it. That was an updated version on how to make a mirror in Portal, but instead Portal 2.